How to change background color in Canva. So if you want to change your background color in Canva, then what you need to do is you just need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for canva.com or open up your Canva. Make sure to log into your account. So go for login, which is on the upper right, and log into your account. Once you've logged in, now you can simply choose a template or you can go with your other designs. So for example, I'll be taking a template. I'll just start with a new one. So once you've taken the image or once you've taken the photo, now what you need to do is simply first remove the background and then you can add another background, right? So to remove the background, what you need to do is simply click on the image and then go for edit image. Once you click on edit image, here you will have a background remover. So you just need to simply click on background remover. And let me tell you one thing, that to remove the background or to change the background, you need to have your Canva Pro subscription. But if you don't have that, then you will not be able to change it. So click on background remover and your background will be removed. Once your background will be removed, now here on the left side, you will have the background option. You just need to simply click on the background and you will have different colors that you can add to your background. So in that way, you can change your background color in Canva. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.